Hello everybody, welcome back to Ohio Tickets with Robert. We have another battle of the $5 tickets. We have the $5 Monopoly Bonus Spectacular 25 times going up against the Cash Explosion 25 times. Alright, so you can win up to $150,000 on both tickets. The Monopoly one has a few places to win on. The chance, we're looking for a hotel. The bonus here, we're looking for one of the winning numbers to match that number. Otherwise, our numbers must match the winning numbers to win. It's ticket number 15. We also can find a 5 times, a 10 times, a 25 times symbol, or the Mr. Monopoly symbol to win all games except for the cash bonus, which we're looking for the hotel. The odds, 1 out of 3.94. Cash Explosion. Besides the winning numbers, or our numbers matching the winning numbers, we can find a star symbol for an auto win. Otherwise, over here, if we don't find anything, we can at least find the entry. If we do find something, we have a chance of getting a 5 times symbol, a 10 times, or a 25 times symbol. Normally, it's the 1 time symbol. The odds, 1 out of 3.77. All right, let's start off with Monopoly. Let's see what we have in the chance. Do we get the hotel? Nope, we got the thimble. All right, let's see what our numbers are. 9, 22, 8, and 30. All right, let's see what the bonus number is. Is it one that we have? It's 17, the naughty number, and we don't have it. 29, 1 off the 30. 42, 26, 28, 37. 22 for a win. 22 for a win. I'm looking through this through my phone. Whoops. Okay. This thing is being touchy right now. All right. Oh, man. Come on. There. Sorry about that. I just didn't think anyone could see it, but I don't know. There is a 20, 40, 41, 1 for Darlene and Terry Lee, 32, 16, 36, 43, 5 times symbol. Okay, now I'm intrigued. Let's see what we have under the 22. What do we have? We have a 10. Okay, what do we have under the 5? Well, we have a $2 for another 10. Yes, so we have a $20 winner. That's good. $20 winner off of a $5 ticket. All right. Let's see, what can Cash Explosion do? Well, we ain't going to know anything unless I reveal the winning numbers. 17, the naughty number. 23, 4, and 31. 11, 26, 37, 9, and 3. 1 off the 4. Next row. 29. Pardon me. 21, 7, 14, 15. I gotta get a drink, sorry. I'm about to sneeze too. All right. Get back at it. Okay, what do we got here? Last row. 24, 1 off the 23. 35. 20. 8 And last chance, a 12. All right, so we have no win on this ticket. Well, we get the entry ticket. No, we get 10 times. So unfortunately, no win on this ticket. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye.